In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Barclays Mobile Banking branches and ATMs near you step by step. This guide will walk you through the process of locating the nearest Barclays locations using their online tools so you can easily access banking services whenever you need them. To get started, open your web browser and head over to the Barclays Mobile Banking page at www.barclays.co.uk/ways-to-bank mobile banking app. This is the hub where you'll find all the tools to help manage your banking needs right from your fingertips. Once the page loads, you'll see a variety of options and information about the features Barclays offers through its mobile app. It's a great resource for those who prefer digital banking solutions. At the top right corner of the home page, you'll see a location icon. Clicking this icon will take you to a tool specifically designed to help you find banking locations. It's a crucial step because this feature will provide you with access to Barclays branches and ATMs based on your current position or any location you specify. It's designed to be user-friendly, making sure you can access the banking services you require without hassle. Now, once you've accessed the location tool, you have the option to search by entering an address, a town, or a postcode. This flexibility ensures that whether you're at home or traveling, you can pinpoint exactly where you need to go. Additionally, there's a map view available which provides a visual representation of where branches and ATMs are situated around you or in the area you've searched for. You can choose to filter your search specifically for branches or ATMs depending on your needs. When you select one of the locations from your search, you'll be shown detailed information about that specific branch or ATM. This includes important details like opening hours, the full address, and the range of services available at that location. This information is vital for planning your visit, ensuring that you arrive within operating hours, and confirming that the services you need can be accessed at that particular branch. If you click on one of the search results, you'll be directed to a more detailed page. Here, if you want to find out more or need to get in touch with a branch, look for the drop-down menu. By clicking it, you'll find phone numbers, email addresses, and see other ways to contact them. If further assistance is required, scroll down the page to explore additional ways to get in touch with Barclays through different channels. Whether you need immediate assistance or are planning a future visit, these options ensure you have all the necessary contact details at your disposal. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily locate Barclays branches and ATMs whenever you need access to financial services. Whether for everyday banking or specific inquiries, the convenience of finding a nearby location will greatly enhance your banking experience.